From Leluvia Island we sail out the pass and northeast to Makongai. How's your start?
Good. Going 6-8, upwind.
Good
Just left Leluvia. Hi Leluvia. And we're cruising. Doing 7 knots now.
Woohoo! Heading north to Makongai on a south-southeaster. So after this, getting out the channel part, it should get nice, like downwind sailing, and that won't happen.
Looks good. Third downwind, wing on wind, doing 7 knots. Pretty cool.
Woohoo! Haven't had any wing on our trip yet. The jib, Genoa, is flappy like that because we are dead downwind, and we should put the pole up, but we did try and put the pole up and the release clip pulley string has deteriorated with the UV and it snapped.
Levuka was Fiji's first modern town. Founded around 1820 by European settlers, Levuka was the capital of Fiji until 1877 and housed Fiji's first bank, post office, school, hospital, town hall and newspaper.
Which we find a bit odd because it's on an island that is not one of the main islands. It's on Ovalu Island, which is north of Leluvia where we were. But there it is, the big smoke. Only 8 knots, dead downwind. Again, breaking speed records for Maya. Well, us on Maya anyway.
We're back up to 6.5 knots now. Got sucked in a bit of a current then, just off the top of this peninsula reef off of Ovalu.
It's kind of hard to believe that we're approaching Makongai, which is the northern island on a big figure 8 atoll, and all that area is reef right down to that island down there, which is on the southern part of the figure 8 atoll. So that whole stretch in there is reef. It's just massive. We anchored inside the reef at Makongai, which we pronounce incorrectly throughout this episode. We went through our usual palaver of taking the tender off the boat. With no davits to hoist our tender up at the back, this is what's involved. Got some kava, and we are going to go to shore and do sevu here at Makongai, and there's a turtle hatchery and a little clam farm. Dion is sporting his man skirt, the Sulu, traditional attire in Fiji. Not sure he's quite got it on right, but anyway, following customs. Gonna hike over to the other side, to the village. He's ready for it. Back to walking attire. What did he say? It was an hour 20. Yeah, let's make it comfortable.
Building. Oh, they're all buildings through here. Oh, I just went off the...
Whoa, that could be on a movie. The Leprosy Hospital, or Leprosarium, at Makongai opened in 1911, and for the first 40 years the only treatment was chalmugra oil, which appeared to reduce symptoms. From 1948, Dapsone, a sulphur drug and cure, was administered. The Leprosarium serviced patients from all over the Pacific.
The nurse, they check them and clean them, but from the place they came from. The place where they came from, they just live by themselves.
Yeah, so they got much better healthcare here.
Cinema.
No way. The old Leprosy cinema. So they had some entertainment while they were very ill. There were separate villages for ethnic groups, as well as separation of men and women. The clean end of the island housed the staff quarters.
And this side for the men, this side for the ladies. And in the middle there's a police.
They had a police to separate the men from the women.
Yeah, that they are not allowed to. They have made together, or
Yeah,
only it's allowed. They have a boyfriend and girlfriend,
yeah.
but they sleep together. It's not.
They're not going to sleep together when they're watching the movies, though.
But it's happened.
Wow!
They know how to do it. And this is the theater. On this side,
Oh wow, you
Yeah.
can see that old structure through there too.
Yeah.
What's that one?
that's their jail.
Oh, the jail.
Yeah.
Whoa. Over 4,000 patients landed on the island, of which 1,241 died directly from leprosy. Okay, so through all the bushes,
If you go through the bushes, you can see only the cross and some of the stones.
The last patients left the leprosy hospital for Suva Hospital in 1969. We'll go for the tour.
Giant clams were once in abundance in Fiji waters, but they have now found themselves on the vulnerable list. Many species have been over-harvested. The adductor mussel is considered a delicacy and an aphrodisiac in China.
What is the purpose of the clam farming? Are they getting endangered in Fiji?
It's now all the people they kill it, sell it.
Oh, they're selling them.
Yeah.
Oh.
The juvenile clams grown at Makongai are transplanted to repopulate other reefs around Fiji. As filter feeders, the clams play an important environmental role as they can filter hundreds of litres of water a day, including filtering out spawn of the pesky crown of thorns.
Discovered the kumquat, like a Fijian lime. We are just heading out the northern end of the bay to do a bit of a recce on the northern pass to get out from Makongai because it's supposed to be a little bit dodged, so we're gonna go check it out and see if that's the way we can go out when we leave, or if we have to go a further 7 nautical miles by going out the way that we came in, which will make for a rather long leg when we go down to Narai. We've got a remote tropical island beach on our own island, and we're having a picnic date.
No one's here.
No one's here. A
Yeah,
picnic and
down there.
snorkeling. Who wouldn't want that?
Look at the view down there.
Not bad. All right. Dylan says, look at the view. Get the bubbles out, hun.
All the rams I'm going together.
Bother.
I'll put the GoPro in the sand right next to him.
You reckon? Oh, he's going for a walk. Okay. We are just getting ready to set sail tomorrow morning, pretty early. And ironically, we are going to sail north-northeast in an east-northeasterly, which is not part of the plan. The main trade winds are east and southeast. And we were going to go to Narai tomorrow, but the long-range forecast is that they will come with up to 40 knots of breeze, heavy thunder and lightning, and we have no reception down there. So we're going to go north instead, near Savu Savu, and try and make our way to Taveuni using the northeast winds, which will mean sailing upwind. So not sure how that'll go. We'll have to wait and see.